Hi, welcome back to African Tea, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. As you can see from the title, today I'm gonna be doing my own box braids for the first time ever, and I just really hope that it works out. And just a disclaimer, this isn't a tutorial, it's just like me documenting my journey of doing my own box braids for the first time. So I'm gonna be doing the rubber band method, and if you don't know what that is, I'll like leave a description below of not a link in the description of the tutorial I used, so you can like see what it is. I feel like that would be much easier than just normal braiding. So yeah, so I'm gonna be using the Yaki braids, darling Yaki braids. I wasn't really like picky on what type of braids I use. I just took like whatever braids I could find that were like the cheapest and like, yeah, the color I wanted, which is just color 1. I usually use color 2, but I couldn't find it, but I guess color 1 is fine too. And then I'm gonna be first doing the LCO method, so liquid cream oil on my hair and trimming it a bit before plaiting my hair. I'm going to be using this water mixture, so it's basically rice water, and a bit of sheer moisture, 100% virgin coconut oil, daily hydration, leave-in treatment with coconut oil and acacia senegal mixture. And then for my cream, I'm going to be using Cantu shea butter daily oil moisturizer. For the oil, I'm going to be using coconut oil, and then I'll also be using a curl enhancing smoothie just to like smoothen out my hair so it's not too frizzy. And I'll also be using the Easy Waves curl activator gel with glycerine. I didn't get a flat lay of this, so I'll just show it to you here. Not sure if it's, yeah, but I'm sure you know it. And yeah, and I'll trim my hair and just tie it up with some rubber band. So let's get to it as I trim my hair. Well, not, yeah, let's just get into it. Also, a quick shout out to Canon South Africa for sending me the PowerShot G5X Mark II to use for this video. As you can see, like the quality of this video like is much clearer like than the other ones. I usually use my phone, and now I can use my phone while filming a video. But I'll give a brief review of the camera towards the end of the video or in another video that's coming soon. And yeah, okay, let's start separating my hair and applying moisturizer and everything. Oh, and I also have a scrunchie to like separate the hair. Like if I'm plaiting here, then I tie here, and I'm plaiting there and tie here. Yeah, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Okay, so first things first, I'll separate my hair by parting it in the middle. Also, with this camera I can see myself. Like, okay, what do I mean? I mean, I can the viewfinder is like, you can, okay, let me show you what I mean on my phone. The viewfinder is, so the viewfinder is here. It's like you can adjust it to face you, so when you're filming you can actually see yourself. Let's part it in the middle. I have the mirror here, so I'm gonna be looking at it for quite some time. I'm gonna just tie the whole hair with rubber bands before actually starting plaiting. Okay, so I'll start with this side. The right side, I think my part is quite good, it's not too bad. I can't see the back of my head to see if the part is straight. Let me try use this mirror thing.
she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Less than 1 minute though, I never thought true love would be making one as lovely as she. But isn't she lovely, made from love? Isn't she pretty, truly the angel blessed? Oh, I'm so happy we have been heaven blessed. I can't believe where God has done, told us we give like the.
Okay. I don't even know how to like feather the braid. I don't like doing this. I really don't. Oh, okay. Now just cut this. And cut this. Oops. And then take this out. Or not. Then I'll just like feather the ends. And they're not as long as I want. Like the hair isn't as long as I wanted it to be. But it's fine. It's not fine, but it's fine. I'm feathering the ends. And I'll take this out.
Told us we give like the one, so very lovely, made from love.
Okay, this is too big. Let's start again. Okay, so I did this side and then I took a break in between, like, yeah, after I finished this half, and then I put this half into rubber bands again, and yeah, so then I finished this part, and then towards the end it actually wasn't as bad as I thought it, and it didn't turn out that bad. And I think like if you look from a distance and like squint your eyes, it doesn't look that bad. So yeah, I think like at first I don't want to continue, but now I think if I just if I keep practicing and doing it over and over again, I'll get like better at it. Yeah, so let me just do these ones, a few ones. And look at how much progress I've made, and it didn't take as long as I thought. I thought I'd have to maybe take like a couple of days just to, in fact a week, just to finish my hair, but it didn't take that long. What? Bro. Oh, also if you're worried about the rubber band pulling at your hair and like causing breakage, it won't, because like the rubber band breaks easily, so like and it's very soft, so instead of breaking your hair, it would like break itself. So I only use like 2 1/10 packets, so I'll just do what I was doing.
Isn't she lovely? Life and love are the same. Life is a.
So this is what I've decided to do with the ends. Just like tie it with a blue rubber band and just chop this. I hope it will look good. I thought it would look better than just these like what is it called? These like uneven ends. So I decided to just chop it. I hope it looks okay. But like, let me show you what I did. Oops. do this one. Oh, and I'm also gonna try and make them all the same size. So I'll put it over here. Okay, and then I'll just chop it. Yeah, I think it's not bad. And I'll just continue with that rest and show you when I'm done. Yeah, so I'm done, and that's it. That's all for today, kids. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment your questions down below and just your answers to like every single question I asked in this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and if you watch till the end, comment box braids with your emoji of choice. And yeah, please stay tuned for a video next week. Turn on your post notifications, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Mr. Sandman.